This is how I installed this fisheye camera onto the back of a 2013 Nissan Altima. I pulled off the back, measured out the hole, big enough for the wire to slip through and big enough for the stud. The stud slides right through. The two-sided tape causes a seal. Tighten down the lock washer and the nut to hold the stud and the camera in place. Now I needed a pick tool that's the same size as the wire so I can go through the grommet. This tool is about the same size, so I need to heat it up. I used my torch to heat it so it could melt through the rubber and not tear. The pick pushed right through the rubber and made the right size hole. Now with the wire going through the grommet that was already existing, it will keep water out of the car. Now you can feed both wires right into the trunk lid and mount it back up.